this up, and it came in the mail today, and it had me posing a question. Like, what's y'all time limit on y'all feeling a sneaker? You know what I'm saying? Like, I get it. You know, when you know something about to drop, you get all excited and giddy like it's motherfucking Christmas Day and shit. But, like, do y'all hold that same excitement and enthusiasm towards a sneaker, like, say, a year later? Even if you don't have it, you know what I'm saying? So, like, is this something that you want to keep? I'm not going to call it a grail, per se, but something you wanted, but with the way things sell out, you know what I'm saying? Nothing really actually sells out because of the resale game. But like, this shoe came today, and literally I have thought about this shoe off and on for a year. I've watched it for a year, okay? And it wasn't one of the like super hype shoes. Like, it had some hype behind it, but you know what I'm saying? It was one of those type of deals. But I really wanted the sneaker, so you know, I watched the price. I didn't want to pay like $400-$500 for the shoe, and I didn't, because of course, like I thought, me being patient little sneakerhead, the price went down to where I was like, okay, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go ahead and throw you a couple bucks, because you held on to this shoe for a year thinking you was probably gonna make some buku money, and now you probably just trying to get rid of it for what you can. So, man, yeah. I actually picked this up from Goat is where I got this from. Trying to open this box up. I don't know why I opened this box beforehand, because really, for real, y'all, I hate opening boxes on camera. Like, it's kind of dumb. Like, just take it out the box. Don't nobody want to... I got to sit here and talk to y'all and keep y'all entertained until I fight with this fucking box. But, so it's kind of dumb. So, yeah, man, like, with the latest craze and all this going on with dunks, you know what I'm saying? It done turned into some shit, you know? So I wait. Like, you know, I'm one of them people that I don't wear my shoes right off the bat any motherfucking way. So to wait a little bit don't really faze me one way or the other. Look like it's a little weird. Like, there may be like a thin plastic coating on top of the box. See right there where it's a little bit jacked up. But I was excited about this shoe when it dropped last year. Like, it's just crazy to me how you can't get your hands on stuff. Like, you gotta wait for it. You gotta wait for the hype to die down. And man, I love this shoe. I think it was kind of slept on. I think people just wanted to... It's a dunk, as you thought about. Concept. Turdunken, I should say. My bad. Turdunken. I think this shoe is so cute. Like, I don't know why I love this shoe. Like, especially the tongue and everything going on with it. You see the extra laces that came with it on here. I guess that's how it came, because they wouldn't have sent it to me. These are so cute, especially like this tongue, man. Like, I adore how this tongue is like the mallard duck. You know, if you know about this shoe, you know it's kind of like after the mallard duck. If you know what a turducken is, it's a turkey. It's a duck and a chicken and a turkey. Is that right? Turducken. So it's a chicken and a duck and a turkey, and then you cook it and you eat it for Thanksgiving. So I'm sorry, y'all had to watch me go through that, and I was like, wait, is it a... It's yeah, that's what it is. So I like this shoe. Like, this feels great right off rip. Like, this I was told this was a really well put together sneaker. Where's this other one? Let me see. I am, like you said, you saw I just opened the box, so I'm opening this for the first time with y'all. So this is my first time actually seeing this shoe well, in my size in hand. I've seen it in Urban Necessities when I was in there in Vegas not too long ago, and that was my first time actually seeing it in hand. But just from the pictures, man, I've always wanted this shoe. I think Concepts does a really great job with their collabs they do with their shoes, especially like their dunks. You know, there's I fell in love with the ugly sweaters. That was my first dunk ever. Like, I was in Florida. I remember seeing it on the sneakers app. I was just getting back into collecting, And I just had to have it. And I remember sitting on the floor in an Airbnb going, oh my God, I hope the Wi-Fi hold up. I hope the Wi-Fi hold up. Sitting on the floor, waiting for the drop, and lo and behold, I actually hit on those. So that was something that I was excited. Like, I was out in Florida chilling for a football tournament with my son, and I hit on a pair of shoes. Mind you, at that time, Florida was the to-do for me and outlets. Like, I was loving it. Like, you can't tell me that Florida don't have some of the dopest outlets. But again, that's hearsay. Neither here nor there right now. But I don't know, man. I just thought this was a dope sneaker. This is not, of course, the special box, which comes with socks and a Nerf ball and all kind of stuff. But I don't need all that. I really just want the shoe. It's coming up again. Thanksgiving is in 2 weeks. So these came just in time. I mean, it's a year after the fact, but I don't really care about that. Like I said, I'm looking at this little pulled up part here that looks like, I don't know if you can see that. See how it's frayed off of the shoe? I think that is so dope. Like, I love this concept. Like, this concept collab, like, I think they do an amazing job with their concepts. I think they're very creative. To think about putting all this together, and it's a duck and it's a mallard duck. Like, this tongue is like my favorite part of this shoe. This is my favorite part of this shoe. Like, that's just dope. I think it's cool. I guess that poses the question for me. So, like I said, this shoe came out a year ago, about a year ago now. You know how it goes. You see these shoes, they cop these shoes, they plop them up on StockX, eBay, GOAT, and they want 5 times retail, and then, you're looking at it and you like, some people jump at it. They want it right then and there. Are you one of those people that have to have a shoe right then and there? And if so, why? I guess I'm kind of interested in that. And I'm not to say that there aren't some shoes that I have to have when they release, or even some shoes I pick up that I want before they release, because I know 9 times out of 10, I'm not going to get it anyway. And, maybe, I haven't been buying as many sneakers, so I have the little extra change on hand to splurge and pay up for some things that I want. But yeah, man, I was just wondering, I was sitting here and I was thinking about it, and I was like, I waited a whole year to get this sneaker. It's not the big talk of the town anymore, like, we do the sneaker battle on Who Has the Heat. I don't think I have seen this shoe pulled in a sneaker battle for Who Has the Heat. I don't even remember if I've ever seen it pulled in a sneaker battle. I'm sure it has been pulled before, but just not something that I've seen. So I just wondered if anybody else, like, when this shoe pulled up and I knew what was it, DHL was coming. I kind of cringe when I say that, but they were coming. I got excited. Like, this shoe had just dropped. Like, it was really, really, I was really happy about it. There's other stuff coming out, but I am really glad to have this sneaker in my collection. I'm gonna give y'all another look at it. Here it is. I'm pretty sure I want to swap these laces out because I like those yellow ones. Yeah, that was me doing a little thumbnail. But I really do like these. So y'all tell me, how do y'all feel about waiting for maybe the price to get down to something that's more comfortable for you to pay before you jump on a release? Do you feel like, oh, F it, I didn't get it when it dropped, so I don't want it anymore? Or is it, yeah, that price coming down, or, I done waited long enough, I'm gonna just go ahead and pull the plug on it because it's something that I want? Let me know. Let me know. I'm genuinely interested in you guys' opinions and how you feel about waiting for shoes, or, because in this day and age, everything is on to the next. They get a release, they come out. So there's so many releases coming out every single day now. It's not even just a Saturday. to where I'm just kind of like, you know, a lot of people are just in the mindset of, oh, I missed it, next. Oh, I missed it, next, you know, and they're not even going, you know, people don't go back sometimes a lot like they used to, but yeah, I'm just interested. I don't want to know what you guys think. Tell me what you think about my latest pickup. And yeah, man, I'm loving it. So I will talk to you later. Catch me on Who Has the Heat. Again, season 7 is starting real soon. So y'all keep that same energy. We need y'all over there to subscribe, to check out the battles, man. We keep it all positive over there. Never, you know, no real drama going on, nothing like that. We just trying to keep the sneaker community as peaceful as we can. But yeah, y'all subscribe to my channel. Check out E Money Shoes. Check out McFly 704. Check out PM Kicks. Yeah, come join the chat, man. Be part of the chat over there. And y'all be peaceful. Have a good time. And don't forget, drop your comments, like this video, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Even share it out. It's free to do all that. So thank you. Holla.